Alright, let's get started. First thing you'll need is a neti pot. There's a few different styles. One's a little tea kettle type thing, you'll see it. Look on Amazon. That's gravity fed. The one I use is this one right here, where I can put a little pressure and blow it out. Not too hard, just enough. And what I do is I fill up a little plastic bottle, dump it in there. I got a line on this so I know it's been sitting in warm water. So we're ready to go. You'll need distilled water. Okay? Try to get the jug with BPA free. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. I've marked the bottle here, filled it with this. That's where it is. I know. I've already had it in warm water, so we won't waste any time. Just fill it in there. By the way, this saved me from a severe ear infection 2+ years ago. And I've been using it ever since. These little packets of saline packets, they're cheap. Use it anytime you want. I use it during wildfire season, pollen, booger nose grandkids. Anytime I get a little drip, and you take your saline solution, you throw it in there. Screw the top on, shake it up a little bit, a lot of it, or just enough. It dissolves really quick. And you remember, you gotta breathe when you're doing this or it'll go back into your throat, which won't hurt, but you want it to go out your other nostril. So just remember to breathe. I don't know, can you see me? Okay, here we go. Breathe. Next nostril. You're looking for yellow. Yellow's infection. Not good. Just white goo's not good either, but nothing's breeding in there. And that's it. Simple as that. Keep those sinuses clear. Rinse your little rig out. Get ready for the next time. Got something going on, use it every day till it's gone. Got a little clip to follow. Hope that wasn't too gross. Now, why do I use it? I use it as a preventative. If there's smoke in the air, pollen, change of weather, or you feel any blockage or dripping going on, I want to flush that stuff out. Salt kills anything. So I've been real lucky since that ear infection, and I got rid of it with that. You don't want yellow coming out. If you got yellow, you might want to do one every day until it's gone. So hopefully I can prevent you from getting sick. You don't want antibiotics. So that's why I've done it. I can't take them. So, hope this helps. Let me know how you feel. Please remember to subscribe and like. And be safe, be well, be blessed.